Hi everyone, in this lesson we will learn how to use tuples unpacking in Python. Is a feature where you can assign the values of a tuple to multiple variables in a single statement and assign each value to corresponding variables. Okay, let's have an example. Price range equal from 50 to 100. Print type of price range. Run this example is a tuple. Okay, we can actually do this. This is the same output. Actually, price range is a tuple. So minimum price max price equal price range print minimum price and maximum price. Run this example. Yes, minimum price is the first element 50 and the maximum price is the second element is 100. Okay, let's have an example. For example, order equal represent order ID, status of this order, shipped, and delivery date or shipped date. For example, this one. ID, order ID, and status. The last one is date, shipped date equal order. So print ID, order ID. Duplicate this one. Status, shipped date, run this example. Yes, order ID, we missed actually this. Yes, ID is the first element, this one, second element shipped, and third element is shipped date. What about to missing this element, shipped date? This means the number of variables left side is 2 variables and the length of order is 3. This is an error. Run this. So to value error, too many values to unpacking expected to. So we actually need to remove this one. Now it works. Yes. So actually we need to break this. This lines means duplicate these characters 50 times. Run this line. Okay. What about to actually keeping shipped date and retrieve this amount, adding amount like 30. So the length of orders 1, 2, 3, 4, and the variables is just 3 variables 1, 2, 3. So it is an error. Run. Too many values to unpack expected 3. Okay, so we actually match this number of values at tuple to the number of variables at the left side. So actually need to add amount. Run. Yes, it works. So adding amount. Run again. Yes, it works. In the next lesson, we will learn more examples with tables and tables unpacking. For next lessons, actually, we need to learn name the tuple and more examples with tuples. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.